slipping through my fingers. Can't recall all the days as the ocean falls and rises. So does life have to change? Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. All the world, she's getting older, and she can't recall her age. As the flowers die in winter, I guess she has to spend that way. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, and live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. When I meet you by the graveside, I hope you brought the real kind. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, and live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smiled at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.